హలో పీస్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ద ఛానల్. సో ఈరోజు కొంచెం స్పెషల్ డే అనమాట. ఎందుకనేది కాసేపట్లో మీకే తెలుస్తుంది. నేను ఇప్పుడు జావా షోరూంలో ఉన్నాను అనమాట. ఇక్కడ నా ఫ్రెండ్ బైక్ డెలివరీ జరగబోతోంది అండ్ చూస్తారు కాసేపట్లో అసలు ఏంది సంగతి అండ్ ఏ బైక్ తీసుకుంటుంది ఈ విషయాలన్నీ. అండ్ బైక్స్ అయితే సూపర్గా ఉన్నాయి. అసలు నేను ఇప్పటిదాకా టెస్ట్ రైడ్ చేయలేదు జావా ఒకటి కూడా. అండ్ ఫస్ట్ టైం జావా షోరూమ్కి కూడా రావడం. సో తను యాక్చువల్లీ వచ్చి కిందేమో ఉన్నట్టు ఉంది. సో ఒకసారి తొందరగా పోయేసి కలిసేసి చాలా ఏళ్ళు అయిందనమాట కలిసి. ఆల్మోస్ట్ 2 years అయినట్లుంది.
Hello?
వేర్ ఆర్ యూ?
I reached here. Where are you?
It might take some time. Actually, there is lot of traffic here. I'm stuck in Silk Board.
Oh, you're still in Silkboard.
Yeah. How long it will take for
Here
you?
I reached, okay. They said there is no paperwork, nothing.
Okay.
You just have to sign some documents and get delivered. I've called my family and I have asked them to come. It will take another 20
So it's fine, right? Half an hour delay and all if I come little late?
minutes. I came out to get something.
Okay, even I am in showroom. Come here.
Yeah, sure.
ఓకే కమ్, ఐఎమ్ వెయిటింగ్ హియర్. అది మ్యాటర్. సో రాగానే వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ కూడా వచ్చిన తర్వాత అందరూ ఉన్నప్పుడు బైక్ డెలివరీ తీసేసుకొని ఆ బైక్ ఏంది అనేది దాని సినిమాటిక్ వీడియో అవి ఇవి తీసేసి చూపిస్తాను మీకు.
Where are you? Inside?
యా ఐమ్ ఇన్సైడ్ షోరూమ్.
Okay.
హౌ ఆర్ యూ? మీన్స్ సేమ్ డర్టీ.
What's up?
సో బైక్ డెలివరీకి ఇంకొంచెం టైం ఉందన్నమాట. సో పేపర్ వర్క్ అవి ఇవి అని టెన్షన్ పెట్టేసేసి నేను ఒక అరగంట ముందే రప్పించేసినాను. ఈడేమో పని లేదంట అసలు. నేను మాత్రం నిదానంగా ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ 45 minutes లేట్గా యాజ్ యూజువల్ లేట్గానే వచ్చినా అనమాట. సో నేనైతే తన్ని తెలుగులోనే అడుగుతా క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నీ. తనకు తెలుగు రాదనమాట. సో ఏం ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తుందో చూద్దాం. నేనేం క్వశ్చన్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అయింది అట్లేం లేదు. సో టెల్.
You ask.
This is your first bike, right?
Yeah, this is my first bike. As I told you, I've been dreaming it when I was in 11th.
Louder.
Okay.
From when?
When I was in 12th.
12th.
So yeah, and I've been discussing with you from like 3 years, I guess. So yeah, it's finally the day.
So why is this particular model Java Perak?
See, the main reason is because of the height. I mean, it's really low and I can comfortably keep my legs on ground, and that gives me another factor of confidence, I could say. And
Did you feel the weight and all?
I did. See, it's not like all the bikes I really can't lift, okay, but I can manage even this. So it's fine.
Lift means?
I'm not that lift, I know,
Okay.
but I try to move around and all. I tried.
You can take the bike from parking area and all, no? No, you can't.
No.
So what you will do? You will hire someone?
I'll park ulta. Like I was telling you, no, I'll park like this
Yeah,
so that I can
that's
start and move. Yeah. Or I've been seeing some tricks and things to how to handle heavy bikes and all. So that's
ఓకే.
it.
యాక్చువల్లీ తను చెప్తా ఉన్నదన్నమాట 2 years బ్యాక్ నుంచే బైక్ కొనాలి అనేసి. సో నాకైతే నమ్మబుద్ధి కావట్లే ఆ డే ఇంత అర్లీగా వస్తుంది అనేసి.
It's not early.
It's-
3 years.
Yeah, but still I thought maybe you will take some more time.
You thought I'll never take only.
Yeah, that's also there. సో ఒక టైంలో అయితే అసలు కొనదులే ఊరికే చెప్తాంది అనుకున్నాను. బట్ లాస్ట్ 1 yearలో కొంచెం సీరియస్గానే థింక్ చేస్తాంది అనేసి అయితే అర్థమైంది. సో లాస్ట్ ఇయరే బుక్ చేయాలా అది అనేసి అట్లంతా అనుకుంటా ఉన్నది కానీ బట్ కోవిడ్ టైమ్స్ కదా సో తీసుకున్నా కూడా వేస్టే అనేసి వెయిట్ చేసింది. వాట్ ఆల్ యూ గాట్ సో ఫార్? హెల్మెట్
I have decided on few. I have to get it.
Okay.
So I thought I'll take the delivery and then get.
Okay.
I've decided on few jackets and helmets, gloves and all. Yeah. I have to decide on these attachments and all.
Okay. Now some serious questions. Okay. So it's very tough now for parents or I mean in your home to accept to buy a bike being a
Girl.
girl. How did you manage?
As I told you, from 12th only I asked. I wanted
From
to-
then only you started asking.
I applied. I mean, my application was sent out when I was in 12th.
Okay.
So now, after years passed, they didn't take me seriously, obviously. But now I spoke on a serious talk with my brother 2 years back.
Okay.
Then also he was like, "No, how will you manage and all." Finally, they agreed. But another problem was when I choose single seater.
Okay.
So they're like, at least if it's double, I mean, if a pillion ride is there, somebody will be behind you. If you fall, also there'll be someone to pick you
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
And
If
so
girls fall, na, there will be so many people to come and pick up.
That's
So
what
that's
even
not a
I
problem.
that's what even I said. But yeah, that was another factor for them to say no. Hello, Atke.
Hartika.
Attige. I don't know what does it mean in Telugu.
I mean, it sounds like Artikai. Artikai means banana.
Attige, sister-in-law.
Okay. Yeah, what was you saying?
About the single seater. no?
Single seater.
So finally, I had to tell, no, this is what I want, this is what I liked.
Okay.
And
Did they see how you ride and everything? Did
actually,
they test it?
yesterday, not on this bike, but yesterday I was riding my brother's bike and I fell also while taking
He
turn.
didn't see?
They saw, everybody saw.
Okay. But still they accepted.
I've booked
I mean,
it,
because
no,
you
today.
already booked, yeah, true.
See, I know it's gonna be hard for few days, but yeah, once I get hang of it, once I get that confidence, I think I'll be fine.
Yeah. Earlier you rode Royal Enfield and all, right?
Long back, just 2 years back, I guess I was riding. And before that also, I was in constantly touch with bikes or riding and all.
Like a scooty or
No,
these kind of or
Royal Enfield.
Okay.
And I used to ride Royal Enfield and Duke back
both.
then. Yeah.
Then why didn't you choose those Duke and all?
Duke, I felt it's very lightweight, okay, and
So you want something heavy to lift?
Yeah. And see, one more thing is, if I fall also, all the body parts of the Duke and all will break. I mean, I've seen my friends'
Okay,
bike
okay.
and all. So I dropped that. And Royal Enfield, somehow you made certain impacts on me not to ride Royal Enfield.
I mean, those year models and
Yeah,
all,
yeah,
not
back
the
then.
current versions.
Yeah, back then.
Okay.
So when I saw this, I knew that this was it. I mean, it's matte black and single seater.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So you prefer single seaters and all?
Not until I saw this. I don't prefer, but see, anyway, it's hard for me to manage a bike and pillion ride also, and it wouldn't make sense because both will be wearing helmets, and if he or she talks, I can't hear. So what's the use of having someone behind? So
Okay.
yeah.
Actually, we should appreciate your brother and family for them to accept.
Yeah.
It's nice.
I tried.
And that too after seeing you fall many times. So ride safe
Yeah. Yes.
with proper gear.
Yes.
And you are wearing heels and all today.
That's the what do you say? People would have seen, girls or guys riding in boots or nice shoes and all. Who would see girls riding?
Yeah,
in
that too a
heels?
new bike
Yeah.
on day one.
Yeah. And I must say, you have been the inspiration, as you know.
For what?
Yeah, you've always been when we started talking and all. So, and thanks to you for making that impact on me.
What exactly I did?
See, your interest, your passion on bikes and how seriously you take things and how hard you have done to get all those things, and I've always enjoyed riding with you back then. So yeah, those things I was like, I wish I can be you, but I know I definitely can't be you, but at least some amount of that passion, if I had, that would make sense. So yeah,
Nice.
thanks to you.
Nice. And when are you planning to do any rides on this one?
First, let me get comfortable riding nearby, morning rides or evening rides.
Guess you should take slowly.
I have a lot of fear, and since the bike is heavy, I just need some time to get out of it.
That too, when you are riding and all, no? Like a few guys will do all nonsense and all. Just they will come like this, and they will go just to
Yeah,
scare you.
I know. So yeah, all those distractions will be there.
Anything else you wanna share about your bike or anything? The feeling before getting the bike or one day before the delivery, all these things will be there, no? Like it will stay for a long time.
I was telling you, right, I couldn't sleep yesterday, and the excitement was so much, my heart was racing so much, and I felt like I'm gonna faint. You know, I had very bad headache and I could not eat properly. And so yeah, this is happening from past 2 days, but yesterday it was really too much. And today I was like, I slept, I got up, I slept, so that the time passes and this time comes. You know? So yeah, this is how I'm really excited. First bike, and it's been my dream for a very long time. So yeah, definitely.
Nice. As even I'm happy. Finally, you got your bike.
Yeah, and I've come from so far. I'm
Actually, I came for video. So,
But yeah, whatever
anyways,
reason, I'm happy, Ashwin.